Hi guys, we're going to be unboxing, let me turn on the light. Unboxing the Razer blue glow-in-the-dark scooter. Let's get into it. There's the little tape. Put that tape. Okay. Open the box. The scooter does not come assembled. It comes with the handlebars not on the actual scooter. Cut this open. Have to flip it off. It does come with an Allen key. The handlebars are off. This is what it looks like. The Razer thing. The handlebars are off, so you do have to connect them. Allen key. Okay. Don't need your dumb directions. Now the scooter does come half made. The wheels do glow in the dark when you, I don't know if you guys can tell that, but when you spin them, see? I don't know if you guys can tell what they do, glow in the dark. Now it's gonna be a photo like this. You guys might be noticing how is he gonna do that? Well, all you should have to be able to do is it should, if you just press this lever, open. Maybe. Are you gonna work, scooter? Yep. Just press the lever, and it will extend. So now this Allen key I'm gonna need. Got handlebars on here. Of course, you do have to twist them on. It's actually kind of hard. And the wheels on the floor. And once you twist them down all the way, okay, which I have, get the Allen key. Just flip this sideways. Let's look at the Allen key, and there's just going to be this little thing where you're going to want to put the Allen key in. I think this is I don't know what kind of Allen key this is, but you're gonna want to twist it so the scooter fits you. This is where the scooter fits me. So we need to make sure it's still connected with each other. Put that Allen key in there. And you should just be able to, just let you twist it. Just keep twisting it until it gets tighter and tighter. And once it gets all the way tight, I'll show you how to, I'll show you how to put the handlebars on. The grip, sorry. Okay. Got this as tight as it goes. Do be careful when you do that. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to assemble. So it's gonna come like this. And there's gonna be these buttons right here. These things. That thing. And when you push them, they bend down. So, and there's a hole in the thing, in the thing right there, right here. And you're gonna want to make sure when you push it in, you're gonna also have to push down the button. And then once it's in, it should just click in, and it should be go in. And once it's in, push it again. The other one, same thing. Boom. And now, get that Allen key again. And just start twisting the top on. Okay? Now, your scooter should be assembled. Actually, well, 1 second. Well, I did this backwards, so 1 second. Yeah. Okay. I can fix this. I did it backwards, of course. That's who I am. Okay. Let me try this again. Just unscrew this because I messed it up. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I messed it up. So now, just I'm show you how I'm doing this. Put your knees like this. Put this on here. Make sure this little metal piece down here, this thing. Show you this thing right here is semi up, and you're gonna wanna twist it in so it fits your size. Make sure that you have the right side that you're doing it on. So this is how I want it. Make sure the top of the handlebars are not like this and the wheel's not forwards. It has to be like this and the wheel has to be forwards, like how I have it. I'll just make it perfectly forwards. 1 second. Okay. It's not forwards enough, so I'll point it forwards. Put this in. Okay. Now I'm going to want to slide this down. Make sure your wheel's forwards. Okay. You might want help with this part, but I'm going to do it by myself just to show you that it's possible. Make sure your wheel's forwards and the handlebars are forwards. I'm going to show you this whole part. There's going to be a thing in here. You want to hold the thing and just twist it.